Let's see how much they charge inside the mall for a custom shirt, y'all. First, I'm gonna stop in Lids, then I'm gonna go over. Hi, how you doing? I'm alright. Oh, not right now, just looking. Ooh. So roughly how much does it cost to get a hat embroidered? Okay.
Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna take a look at the machine. It's sleek, I like it. It's pretty slick. And it's got a digitizing monitor. I'm subscribed to the store. I come in here and get C hats all the time. But y'all, this is where I be getting my hats at. That 50 hat. What 50 hat? I think I'm gonna grab this one for the next video. But yeah, the whole reason for me going on, see how much they charge in the mall for some of these customs, like hats and shirts, things of that nature. Unstructured caps. Sit too on that. The black on black Hove edition. Thank you, ma'am. You'll be seeing me soon. You too. Alright, so the next store we're gonna stop in is the Custom Factory. I ain't gonna really talk because I don't know how they feel about it. Well, these are transfers. Trippy. He lived down the street from my parents. I knew this. Well, I didn't know him. I knew him when he was littler. Not after he became famous. These are some nice feeling transfers. Y'all remember this one? This is hard. This is a very soft transfer. So I'm acting like I'm talking to my brother because they're gonna ask me in my report and I'm gonna say no. So if I start talking to the phone like I'm talking to a family member, excuse me, because I gotta ask him some questions real quick.
If you don't care about this line, yeah, it doesn't matter. If you like this one, I can do it, no problem.
Yeah, I don't care about
I'm talking to my brother. I want, is he able to get like a poster like this or just a transfer like this? Or he has to get it on a shirt?
So you want it on like a funnel like this?
Yeah. He has a studio He likes to hang up stuff like this, and I walk past here and I'm like, oh, this is right up his.
Just let me out. Can you use something just like this one? Black?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this, paint?
No, it's like screen printing.
A screen printing?
Yeah, under the heat.
Oh.
Inside will be blue on black. White. So instead of the white background,
Oh, you like that Bart Simpson one over there? I gotta just do it over there too, the Maryland Monroe. Yeah. Hey, Osik. Right here all day. You see that? Never seen such beautiful artwork in my life. And ain't no beat neither.
and also we have like a price list. I can do if you want to take.
Transfers is nice. I don't know what the hell they are, but they're nice.
If you want to bring me like a white mask, you want me to put the words on the blue one, I can make sure it's 50% off, 90% off.
Yeah.
Like this one, but
The problem is I don't have time. I work, 7 in the morning. So I live tomorrow. I'll live without it. I have another great stream. It's not a problem. It's okay. I'm only gonna wear it for one day.
change your mind.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, he was here first.
Oh, you can go ahead. I'm gonna ask him a couple questions.
I got a adjustment on a damn t-shirt here.
It's okay.
No problem.
I'm not in a rush.
When she's back, she's gonna.
Yeah, I'm not in a rush. Right, James? It ain't my store. I'm actually trying to find out how much they charge for a custom t-shirt, and if I can get the answers to where they got these, I want that because yeah, it's a premium product. I don't like though how the white is not fully white though. Ups and downs to it, there's no feel to it. Artwork's phenomenal though. Like how you can do color, different gradients. Is this direct to film? Dun dun dun. I don't know. Y'all tell me. I got my own store, and I could easily convert it over to this, some type of style like this, but I'm trying to get a factory. I like shipping stuff out. I mean, if I have a little storefront like this set up to where people can walk in and look, I'm gonna do it, but ultimately, it's just getting that product out, so it's a good way to showcase it.
How long was it?
The old t-shirt will be like 20 to 30 minutes. Average the same.
Like the 7 o'clock.
Today, yeah. If you're gonna order it like after 6:30, you're gonna take it tomorrow.
How much does a shirt cost?
What time?
3X,
It will be 35.
35, and I can get any transfer in here on it?
Yeah, I get anything.
Okay. What type of transfer is this?
It's called decal.
Decal? Y'all print them here?
No. We just got them already made.
You got a sweet store, man.
Thank you. It's not my store. I'm just working here. But
Yeah.
you can custom make your own design. If you have words, pictures from your phone, you can print it and put it on a t-shirt.
I had somebody make this for me.
Who made this one?
Mike T's.
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah.
But I think the material we use it's a little bit different. It's not. Can I touch?
Yeah, go ahead, touch.
Yeah, I think this one is it's called vinyl. We use vinyl too, but I think this one is like a different one, like a glossy one or a matte.
Yeah.
I like it.
So what is this? She said it's a regular like transfer. So what type of transfer is it?
Like the multicolored one, it's called decals. It's like a multicolored transfers. We can't make them; they're already made.
Okay,
We just-
decal,
decals, yeah.
like car decals.
Just to be honest with you, I don't know. I'm not the one who ordered it, so.
Gotcha.
The manager just ordered it and I just work with it. So the thing I know, it's called decal. And for the one we custom make, it's vinyl.
Awesome. I see you got the Stalls Max Press over there. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
16 by 20.
What is that?
16 by 20. The size is it a 16 by
It's
20?
in here. It's not written here.
It doesn't have to say. Usually it's on front. It looks like they're Max Press though. But yeah, man, awesome. You said this isn't your store?
Now,
I wonder how much it would be to run a store like this in here.
this tour has been here for like 2 years. Just working here for like 6 months.
They're doing good?
Most of the time,
Yeah,
some you know, sometimes it's off, sometimes it's on. It depends.
got you. I love the transfers. And she said I could buy them like this on the black.
Yeah, we usually don't do that, but if you want just one to put it like in your office.
Yeah.
I can do it like just once. But
Okay. Alright, you got a name and a card?
this is the card and this is the email if you want to have any question. This is the manager's number also if you have any question.
And what's your name?
My name is Omar.
Omar?
Yeah.
Alright. Appreciate your name's James.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you. Hey, y'all will see more of me. It's an awesome store, man. Got a Hicks over in the corner. Had a Hicks and a Stalls in here. Amazing. No. So y'all heard it. The price would be $35 for one of their shirts. I don't know what type of transfer that is. They can't see you. So, this is looking direct. I swear it's facing me. They can't. Hey James, I was just you. I was Mr. Pad for a second. You know what I'm saying? But so the shirts was $35. He didn't want to tell me what type of transfer it was. He kept saying it was a decal transfer, which it's not. It's DTF, direct to film. I'm almost 98% sure. It's almost out of the quality of a super color. There's really no feel, really soft in the hand. But yeah, so you heard him say he's been in here for 2 years with his boss. Because he was doing the double agent role as me. He's the owner. I noticed because I came in and I introduced myself as Mike to him before. He just doesn't remember me because I have this mask on. Mask, y'all. But, so you do the math. Let's just say that went probably like 1,000 in this mall. This is a Belden Village. This is the only mall we have in Canton. And he's selling shirts every day for $35 a pop. Just a t-shirt. For the sweatshirt, it's like probably $45. I'm gonna just go up another 10. How many customers you think you would have in there a day? Let's look around the mall real quick. Right now it's not that busy, but it just was, y'all, when I first came in here. He making some serious coin inside the mall. If you want to own the store, own the store. If you want to be inside the mall, get inside the mall. Whatever it is you want to do or want to be, you can achieve it. Trust me, believe me, that part. My wife and my daughter want to come to the mall today. I knew I was going to walk past this custom apparel store, as I have been walking past it for the last 2 years, trying to figure out what it is they do. They're using some pretty good equipment in there. They had the stalls, max press. I should have kind of gave it away when I told him to press without him telling me, and I told him.